If you are working to deploy the Control-M application pack to a Control-M agent on Windows and receive the system cannot find the path specified error, you will need to check and address the following details. From the log available in the Control-M Configuration Manager, you can see the exact failure here. This issue has been identified and is being tracked under CTM 1663. Deploy on Windows fails if the agent is running as a local user account, administrator with error message. The system cannot find the path specified. Until this has been addressed in a future release, the deployment of the Control application pack may be completed after changing the account under which the Control-M agent Windows service is running. This change may be reverted after the deployment if needed. There are two options to consider. You may change the Control-M agent Windows service to run as local system. Or you may set this to run as a domain user using the notation user @domain. While logged in as a user with admin rights on the Control-M agent Windows host. Please open Run via Windows key +R. You may then open the Services console by typing services.msc. Once that is open, right-click the agent to open its properties and then select the Logon tab. From here, you can utilize the two options to allow the deployment and installation to proceed as expected. You may let the agent run as local system or adjust the logon user details to the user @domain format. Once this change has been successfully applied, you will need to restart the agent's services to have this change take effect. Now that the agent has been restarted, you may redeploy the Control-M application pack with success. That concludes this Control-M Solutions video. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube channel for more videos like this.